Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your phone number on your Instagram account and also how you can hide your email on Instagram if you want. So let's begin the video. So here is currently my ID. You can see that if anyone opens my ID on Instagram, here we have this contact button. If he presses on it and press on the call button, he can see my phone number and also he can view my email ID. So I'm going to show you how you can hide your phone number or how you can hide your email as well. So here let me just open my Instagram account. Here I am on my Instagram account. What we're going to do is that we're going to press on our profile on the lower right side. Here it shows my profile. Here you can see it says edit profile on the very mid. So there are different ways to hide your phone number. This is the most easiest way. We're going to press on the edit profile button. We're going to go down where it says contact options. You're going to press on it and here it's going to show your phone number. So you can simply erase your phone number from here. You're going to press on it and you're just simply going to erase it. You're going to press on done and you can see that your phone number is now hidden from here. You're going to press on save button again and you can see that profile info has been saved. We're going to press on done from here again, and now this is how you can simply hide your phone number. Now if I open the Instagram ID again on the other phone, so let me reload it. Now you can see that here it only shows the option for emailing and not for my mobile number. So guys, in this way you can hide your phone number, and if you want to hide your email you can do that as well. Again, you need to press on the edit profile button. You can go where it says profile display. You're going to press on it and you're just simply going to press on display contact info. You're going to press on it and this will hide both your phone number and email simultaneously if you are into that. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.